2 of the bracket semis. Cody Owens from Lexington Park, Maryland. Jim Petticord. Jim getting the lead first. Here comes Cody. Looks like Cody may have some problems over there on the Purnell Body Shop side of the racetrack. Yes, he is going to take the win, 21.50 at 48 miles an hour. There, and Walker Blankenship. And, well, here you go. Walker's already pulling away from him, because Rodney's got problems. Walker is doing the right thing. Second head start. See if Brown can run him down. The 17 Peterbilt roll off. I run that round for 3, Jim Petticord, Walker Blankenship. Petticord's away, Blankenship's away, pretty close on the tree. Walker might be going around in here already. Yes, he is, 1979 and 72. Ray might be in a little bit of trouble here. Nate with a 0.65 reaction time, Ray 3.74. Don't quite think he's going to catch it. Yeah. Rounds on the brake, takes the win, 21.47 and 52. Got some ground to make up. We'll see if he can make it happen. Brown with a slight starting line advantage on the street. It's going to be Jim Petticord, 1973 at 69 miles an hour. Craig Morris in the 07 Volvo, going to take on Reddick. Number 1 versus number 2.